Hi, my name is Greg Lecheminant. I represent Keysight Technologies in the standardization of next-generation optical networks, including those developed in IEEE 802.3. As the industry progresses towards 800G and 1.6T systems, and eventually co-packaged and near-packaged optics, it's clear that we need to consider new ways to build and test the optical transceivers essential for these networks. Consider that there may be 4, 8, even 16 lanes to test. PAM4-based technology and higher baud rates lead to more complex measurements. Data center expansion requires higher test system capacity, and there's always intense pressure to reduce manufacturing costs. I'd like to introduce to you a new concept from Keysight Technologies that we developed to respond to the evolving needs of optical transceiver test. The new Flex OTO optical test optimization software allows you to configure the test system you need for your next generation transceivers. You control the following variables: how many lanes can be tested with up to 128 test ports allowed? What is the test system throughput? What is the actual cost of testing a transceiver? Flex OTO software controls metrology-grade optical switching and the industry standard Keysight DCA to create high channel count test systems used for production and design validation. Flex OTO optimizes the signal acquisition and processing. Treat automation of Flex OTO software as you would any test instrument. Your test system controls the overall test process using Skippy commands, similar to how you control the DCA oscilloscope today. The key values of the Flex OTO software are: it maximizes instrument utilization, including the DCA-M hardware you already own. It greatly simplifies the setup of complex measurements to ensure they are performed correctly and with the highest accuracy. It employs parallel acquisition and analysis to achieve an optical throughput that could never be achieved through a common switch-based test system. And finally, it allows you to easily trade off test system throughput and capital expense to get the lowest possible cost of test matched to your specific test flow. We've created several videos to show you the details of how you can use Keysight Flex OTO software to create your next high-volume test system. Please take a look. Thank you.